have mushrooms, tomatoes. Sarap yung pizza. Well, there's the first lock that we have to do. Now we close the door. Now I need to help you. I'll see you guys in a second. A bit more. Yeah, that's it. This place kind of reminds me of that movie Anaconda. Looks like there's some big anaconda or like a crocodile that's gonna come on and eat me or something. We're gonna have a bit of lunch in a bit later. I think we're gonna keep going north for 3 days and then go back afterwards. So yeah, and that's my mom. Mom, say hi. I'm on top now. We cruise along. I'm going in the tunnel. Our lights are on. Ooh. Gotta watch out. Oh. Hey-o. Hey-o. Use the horn. Nice. I don't know if you guys can see me. Look at that. And I'm using this big pole here. In case. It's hard vlogging. Alright, I'll see you guys in a sec. This is hard work, man. Yeah, here we go. Woo, we're good, we're good. We're good in the neighborhood. Woo, we made it. Nice. Now we keep going. Here we go. As you can tell, I'm back home now. Basically, this is like a couple days after our holiday. Today, I'm gonna go to my best friend's house, Dave. Me and my family are gonna go there. We're gonna do some barbecue. We're gonna have some halo-halo. It's like a Filipino dessert thing. So, I mean, it's a good weather outside. You know, it's sunny, it's summertime. So, yeah, it's gonna be fun. And I'll see you guys there. Yan na. Boom! What are you cooking, bro?
I'm cooking intestine. No, I'm cooking calamari.
He's cooking calamari and then we're cooking some barbecue. And Nathan is eating. As always.
Oh, kayong tatlo.
Wait, let me show you guys. So we have some halo-halo. Delicious. We have some barbecue. Let me get some barbecue.
Nice.
And then Dave just bought some pizza. Nice! Kailangan mo ng tulong, bro.
Lagyan mo na ito doon.
Sure ka? O sa isang batch pa siguro. Sa next batch. Konti lang yan eh. Tikman muna natin. Taste test. Ah, it's hot.
Kunat ba?
Hot.
Si mama makunat na eh.
Sarap, bro. Yeah, squeeze the lime. Bruh. Bruh! Yo, one job. Nice.
Yung kinajambi?
Ah, yung chop ng ano, walang ganun.
Kasi olive.
Bro!
Hindi na makain mo sa katotoo.
Pwede sabihin.
Nanganganak yan.
Usap yan.
Baka yung kapit ko. Bakit?
Ulrich! Kumusta bro?
Anong bala? Uy! Uy! Uy!
Ano yan?
Yung bala lang.
Barrel! Anyway guys, I'm just gonna enjoy so. See you guys later.
Love you guys.
Jim is going to treat me to sushi house.
Yeah, Ate Danes is gonna buy for me some stuff. We're gonna go to a restaurant called Inamo. So we're gonna have some sushi. And later on, we're gonna do shopping. We're just waiting for about 15 minutes because we don't have a booking. I told you we need to make a booking next time. She didn't make a booking. I told you. I think you're bad luck. We went to restaurant and then we didn't get it in. We're gonna go Oxford and then do shopping first. So which one? Do you think small or no? I'm asking you. Do you think
Yeah, it's small. I think
Or
it's
extra small?
No, it's small.
Should I try this?
Yeah, try it.
Follow me, my fans.
Seriously.
Welcome to my crib.
Dito mo na i-sodji, maggubad ka na lang dyan, oh. Sarapan ng salamin, no? Ayun, oh.
What?
Doon ka na lang magsubad, oh.
Puhubarin ka rito sa ano. Ako lang sa akin, pero baka pagalitan ako. You can count us. Hindi mo na-record, tingin mo.
Tama yung size. Eh, yan ang gusto mo, eh. O, sige na. No,
I like the black.
the black one is better.
You can see too much.
Yeah.
Guys. How much is this anyway?
Ayun, hindi mo chinicheck. Uy, mo.
Oh, it's wow, perfect. Sorry. Alright. What do you think?
It's good.
Nice. I like it.
Oo, bagay mo. Ano, saan ba tayo?
And
H&M.
then we're gonna go H&M.
Bruh.
After that,
You're going back.
we're going back to
Leicester
Leicester Square to go eat. Sorry guys, because we haven't eaten. I'm so hungry. My tummy is calling me. So I'll see you guys there. It's $34.99 per person.
$34.99 ang isa?
No, 30. Yeah.
What?
Why? Do you think it's expensive?
It's okay.
Or is it okay? It's cheap.
Galing ka daw dito kaninang umaga. Meron kaya tang gym.
Twins.
I think you have
Mga rin
twins.
siguro yun.
Of course. It's like
Okay.
she's so delighted to see you. We are freaking hungry.
Yeah, we've been waiting for 3 hours.
So,
And so you get lettuce, then you put some seaweeds.
put everything in your mouth. Oh my god. It's the best part. Good.
That's okay. My hair gets in the way as well. The apparent day.
Alright, here we go. We didn't finish it, but I think we're probably halfway. We can do like a zombie survival next
The one
time.
you just is this one.
Yeah.
Escape room.
Yeah, it was a good experience though, right? Or of course, it's fresh taro. Love it. Back again with Cricks. Cricks on the beat. Yes, I.
Yes, I. Gago.
Today's the day, guys. We're gonna do paintball.
Yes, I.
Yes, I.
Alam niyo na walang iba. Look at this Asian boy.
Bro.
He's dripping with
Yeah.
wet. He's wearing my suit. These buttons.
I know. We're so ready.
Nakadrawing.
Oi! What the? Bro,
This is what happens when I.
we have a new team. We have a new team.
I call him Eric.
Eric,
Eric,
how you doing, bro? Ready? Yeah, you ready?
We're gonna win.
Gonna win?
Even the fat people will.
All right.
Um,
You ready for this?
yeah, I'm ready to kiss their balls.
Amen.
Say goodbye.
How
Say
about
goodbye
you?
to Titi. So basically, what we're gonna do is, wait, let me get time to think about this.
Yeah, come on, boy.
Yeah.
Come on, boy.
Wait. Yeah, so we're gonna run in there, yeah. Go behind people, and then you shoot them in the
Buy
direction.
2 grenades, bro,
Yeah, exactly.
and bomb them. And
It's good to be back.
good to be back with the boys
And time to be.
to shoot. Bro. Oh no, man.
Hot dog.
Plant the bomb! Plant the bomb! Man down!
Bro. Okay, I'm so ready. Woo. Let's do this. Guys, sorry for all the language. It's just, you know, so many kids around. Alright guys, we're here in Cobham Paintball Center. You're gonna see live action today.
Live action.
Live action, guys. We're ready, man. Here we go. Yeah, we're gonna win. All set up.
I'm going in.
Got my vest, my helmet.
You don't know, so.
Yes.
You don't know. Yes.
Come on, boy. Here we go. First game, kind of tiring, bro. It's a refill. Nice, well done. Oh, I like that. Good job. Good game, man. I gotta tell them. It's nice because they're backing me up, and her, she's really good. Look at this. Oh, what the? How much is that? 600, 700, 800, 800, and you got one, bruh.
Yan nyo, pasasabukin ko mga mukha nyo, hayop pa yan.
Remember, guys, move up! Move up! Gotta try and take up as much of the field as we can!
Bro, I'm so tired.
Man, I'm tired.
I'm sweating. Jambi, you good? Jambi can do another round.
10 more rounds.
10 more rounds, man. Good, man.
Enjoyed it. Good experience.
Yeah.
I recommend to everyone.
What's the best part? What did you enjoy the most?
Going out and eat. Stay out of the game. That's my favorite part. During the game, it's hard for me. You know, I wanna thank God for this opportunity.
Naging speech, naging preaching.
And you know, I let my hands be talking.
How was it, Josh?
It was incredible. I was very satisfied with
What did you?
fantastic. Getting shot in the head was the best bit. I don't know, it felt nice.
The first part.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Putang ina. Sige. Oh, someone's gonna get knocked out. Putang ina. Sige, sige, sige.
So ayun mga kahombre ko,
Ano? Sige, sabihin mo na. We win!
panalo kami, tang ina nyo.
So guys, we just finished the game and we're about to head home now. It was really fun.
Nakakapagod, pero gusto ko mag-basketball pa
Tiring, tiring. But we're gonna play basketball.
Basketball.
Tiredness, bro.
Pong oras na basketball pa yun.
Yes, we're young, we're young.
Oo.
We need to do a lot of activities. Look at them team bros. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So obviously, this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. Peace guys. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I'm making it. I know it's a bit all over the place, but it's good.
Ikaw nyo yung
La-
music video
Oh,
ko,
check
Cricks
out his
on.
music
Alam
video,
nyo na,
Cricks
di
on.
titigil.
Hey.
Baby, alam nyo na, walang iba. Bro!
We're making some halo.
Guys, we're gonna be walking.
Yeah, we're walking.
Ina mo! Ready na ako.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's get into war, man.
Brigade.
Yuki on 3. 1, 2, 3.